Today we are celebrating Taco Tuesday with one of my favorite veggie tacos, the Chipotle Beet and Egg Tostadas. So if you're the kind of person that likes a fried egg on everything, this is the taco for you. It's no secret that we need to eat our vegetables, and the best way to do that is when they're made into a taco. This time around, we're using roasted beets as our base, topped with goat cheese and a fried egg. And you guys, the taste is incredible. It's one of my favorite veggie taco recipes from my Taco Tuesday cookbook. Yes, I love tacos so much that I wrote an entire book about them. 52 taco recipes, in fact, making Tuesday the best day of your week. And I'm releasing a new taco recipe in this channel every Tuesday. So make sure to click that red subscribe button right below this video and check out the other taco recipes in the Taco Tuesday playlist. I'm getting hungry, so let's start by preheating the oven to 375. I'm going to prep the beets by removing the tops with a knife, and then I'm going to give them a quick wash. You just pat dry them with a paper towel and place them on a square of aluminum foil. If you have really large beets like this one, you may want to give it a quick chop in half. So next, I'm just going to pour some of the adobo sauce from the 7-ounce can of Chipotle peppers. And this adobo sauce, you guys, you'll find it in the Latin section of your grocery store, and it's the best kept secret for so many recipes. Like the short rib tacos in the book, oh my gosh. But let's not get carried away. Back to these beets. I'm going to roast them in the oven for about 50 minutes or until they're fork tender. Then I just remove them from the oven and allow them to cool down to room temperature. And as you can see, they peel really easily, and all I have to do is cube them. In this large skillet, I'm going to heat some oil over medium heat. I'm going to add the beets, these reserved chipotles, some cumin, salt, and fresh lime juice. Then I just stir to combine and cook it until it's heated through for about 3 minutes. While the veggies are heating up, I'm going to warm up my tostadas. You can, of course, use regular flour tortillas, but the beets are soft and the fried egg is perfectly fried, and that soft goat cheese on top. I just felt that this Taco Tuesday needed something crunchy. What really takes these tacos to the next level is the fried egg, which goes right on top. So let's fry up a couple of eggs, sunny side up or over easy, whichever one you like better. But you're going to need the yolk to be runny because, well, you just have to check it out. So I have my tostadas here, and then I'm going to make a base layer of this beet and chipotle mixture. Then I'm gonna top it off with a little goat cheese. And then I'm gonna place the fried egg right on top and some freshly chopped cilantro. Oh my gosh, this almost looks too pretty to eat. Almost. This recipe will convert any taco carnivore. The beets are so tender and sweet. It's topped with that tangy goat cheese and that rich egg yolk action going on. I'm about to lose my mind. If you love tacos as much as I do and want to celebrate every single week in our Taco Tuesday series, make sure to click that red subscribe button and grab a copy of the Taco Tuesday cookbook. It's gonna give you something to talk about every single week. See you next time.